We'll guide you through how to access free ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in chat.openai.com. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the ChatGPT homepage. Here, you need to either sign up or log in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button and fill in the details required. You can use your email, Google account, or Microsoft account to sign up. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, to start a conversation, simply click on the New Chat button located on the left side. This will open a chat window where you can start typing your queries or messages to ChatGPT. It's that simple. You'll find that you can ask ChatGPT anything from casual questions to more complex inquiries, and it will provide you with helpful responses. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT is free to use, there are some premium features available which might require a subscription, but for most users, the free version is quite sufficient. Remember to save any important information or responses as the chat resets after a while. If you ever need to review old chats, you can find them under the Chat History section on the left panel. Enjoy exploring the capabilities of ChatGPT and the range of information it can provide. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.